In this video, I will be showing you how to find your chat history in Grok AI. Let's get started. First, I start on the Google homepage and click on the search bar. I type in Grok and hit enter to search. From the search results, I look for the official link for Grok and click on it. This opens up the grok.com interface. Once the page loads, I see the main Grok Assistant screen. I click on the input box that says, "What do you want to know?" to type a prompt. For this example, I type, "Suggest 10 healthy snacks I can eat while working." And then click the arrow button to submit it. I wait a few moments while the AI generates the content. You can see it processing for a couple of seconds. Then, it starts listing out the suggestions one by one, including options like mixed nuts, Greek yogurt, apple slices, and baby carrots. I scroll down slightly to view the full response and look through the rest of the healthy snack ideas, which range from hard-boiled eggs to dark chocolate and chia seed pudding. Now, to access my chat history, I look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Expand menu option. This expands a sidebar navigation panel with several selections. Next, I click on History to open the History drop-down section. Here, I see a list of my recent conversations. I click on See All to open a broader overview of my chat logs. In this window, I can click on any previous conversation from the list to pull it back up on screen. I click on Beginner Side Hustles under $100 to review that past chat. Then I click on Simple Electric Car Explanation to view that one. Next, I go back to my current session by clicking Healthy Desk Snacks for Energy to show the snack list again. I can also clear the preview window by clicking Create New Chat. Finally, I click back on Best Books for Mastering Communication Skills to review that specific history log. This is a very convenient way to keep track of all your distinct interactions and pick up exactly where you left off. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.